Hey everybody, it's Peter Melsheimer, the founder of Equappment. I am so excited to be here with you today and announce the task management feature of Equappment is finally here. So I want to give you a quick overview of what this section is all about. And you can go to help.equappment.com to see some more instructional videos to get detailed information on how to use this section. But it's pretty intuitive, as you'll see as I go through it. So let me switch my screen over here to my iPad. All right, and we will start up Equappment. And then let's move over to the jobs section. Go into one of these jobs, get into the details, and you'll notice right here is the new task management section. Just tap on it. The first view it'll take you is to the map view. You also have an all section, and you can filter out completed tasks and currently active tasks. But let's go back to the map. We broke this up into segments. So for bigger projects, if you want to use this feature, you can break it up into segments and then have tasks within those segments. You could also just ignore segments altogether and just have a list of tasks for that whole job. But we've got some segments up here defined by the red circles. To create a task, you would tap one pin, drop one pin here, and another at the end of the segment here, and then a circle, a radius is drawn automatically. Now all these green pins are the tasks themselves, so you can go from the map view and drill into one of those tasks. But we're going to go back and jump into the all view, look at one of these segments, and from here you can see all the different tasks that are associated with this particular segment. So they're kind of defined with that geographical area. Okay, so we have different tasks defined by task type. So this is one excavate, so maybe that's excavating the starting pit, restoration site, the bore. This is the back ream section of the bore. This is the pilot bore. You'll notice the duration and footage achieved. Those are some of the different measurements that we have for the task. So each task might have a different type of a measurement. Some might just have a duration measurement. Others might have footage, things like that. And all your details for that particular task are over here on the right. So the estimated duration for the task was 4 hours, but it took them 5 hours. They did go a little bit further. Instead of 500 feet, they went 510 feet. You can tap into the bigger map. You can see what the ground conditions are, what the product pipe being installed. And as your crews are working on the task and completing them or completing it for the day, they're going to enter a time log. The time log is where they'll enter how long they were in there. They can associate a picture with a particular log. All great kinds of details that you might need for your client later on in the job. Green task means it's still going on. Gray means it's completed. And red means it's taking longer than it should have. All right, so a lot more to the task management section, but basically what we're trying to do is give your crew members insight into what needs to be done on the job, so that they have all the tools they need to go to the job and just start banging out those tasks, keep the job on schedule. And it also gives you, maybe as the project manager, the owner, the foreman, an idea of how well they're progressing on the job. You can see here, so they've got 75% of the tasks on this segment completed. This segment has not been started yet. All right, so like I said, there's lots more details, some tutorial videos at help.equappment.com. While we're here, I want to show you one more great new feature. Again, this is from contractor request. You know we have the soil map. Well, now we have the soil and dump site map. So not only can you record your ground conditions in particular areas, like this, okay, but now you can also have a different type of pin you can drop and indicate where a dump site is. And once again, just like the soil conditions, you have the choice of making this a shared, meaning public pin drop with the information, or just keep it private to yourself, either one. All right, so I know that was quick, but I just wanted to give an overview of what's going on. I'm very excited. The task management section is finally here. I hope you all take advantage of it and it leads to better production. But definitely reach out to us if you need any help. You can email us at support@equappment.com. Give us a call, 805-316-1383, and you all have a great day. Thanks.